What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. We're going to be checking out AM metal polish. So AM Detail's metal polishing paste. I have to say that after using it on a variety of metals from chrome to aluminum and more, it is a really nice product to use. You can use it by hand or you can use it on one of those little polishing machines, but we're primarily going to use this by hand. Let's take a look at the product. Now, AM metal polish comes in a paste form. You can use it either with a dedicated microfiber applicator, or if the chrome or aluminum is pitted and rusted, then you may have to pull out some fine steel wool to remove that pitting and rusting. So if you want to pick up some AM metal polish as well as a bunch of other detailing related stuff, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 and you'll get 20% off of any of the products on there. Check out the links down below. So let's show you how to use a metal polish on wheels and exhaust tips. So these exhaust tips are cleaned, but they're just a little hazy, a little oxidized, a little pitted. So just take a little bit of the AM polish with a microfiber and polish them by hand. These weren't bad, but they came out really, really nice. Now these are bad. We're going to need a little bit more. So using some fine steel wool, work the product in and remove any of that rust and corrosion. Even though you can't get everything, don't worry, they still look great. Some exhaust tips are really, really bad and that corrosion goes deep. If you want to go further, you can, but sometimes it's best just to work with what you have, brighten up the metal, and make them look better. Now here we're working on these chrome rims that do have some pitting and rust. Let's see how AM metal polish works with some fine steel wool, and we'll polish that rust out. So even though you're not going to remove it completely because that type of wheel surface is completely different, at least the pitting and rust is removed. If you want to go further, you can, but some wheels are beyond just polishing and they may need to be refurbished. But for these wheels, the customer was extremely happy. So guys, if you want that chrome or that aluminum to really shine and brighten up, then check out AM metal polish. It's a really easy metal polish to use and produces amazing results. So if you want to pick up AM metal polish or any of the other AM detail products, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 to get 20% off of any of those items. Check out the links down below. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.